Unraveling the mystery of excessive yawning. Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind excessive yawning. You might think of yawning as a simple, everyday action, but there's more to it, especially when it happens a lot. So, let's dive into the world of yawning and understand what it really means when it becomes excessive. Yawning is a natural response of the body, often associated with tiredness or boredom. It's a wide opening of the mouth followed by a deep inhalation of air, stretching the eardrums, and then followed by breathing out. While yawning is perfectly normal, excessive yawning could be a sign worth paying attention to. Excessive yawning means yawning repeatedly or more frequently than expected. It might be surprising, but yawning too much can be a signal from your body. It's not just about being tired or bored. Sometimes, it points to lack of oxygen in the blood or the need to cool the brain. However, it's also important to know that it could be a symptom of underlying conditions. Several factors can lead to excessive yawning. Some of these include 1. Sleep deprivation. Not getting enough sleep can lead to yawning more than usual. 2. Stress and anxiety. During stressful times, your body might use yawning as a way to cope. 3. Medical reasons. Certain medications or medical conditions, like sleep apnea or heart issues, can also lead to excessive yawning. While occasional excessive yawning is usually not a cause for concern, it's good to be attentive. If you notice persistent excessive yawning along with other symptoms like shortness of breath, dizziness, or chest pain, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can help determine if there's an underlying cause that needs attention. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of excessive yawning. Remember, while it's a common and often harmless phenomenon, being aware of its frequency and accompanying symptoms is key. I hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you understand your body a little better. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.